Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will give a brief intro to CATIA V5 and um, draw together a small part at a small example to practice. Okay, as we all know, CATIA is a very well-known software, CAD software, and it's used by many companies, as we see here. And I have a link for a Quora question. I think it's very nice. The answer was very nice, and I think it will be useful for you to read this uh, answer. So I will put the link in the description. So if anyone want to see this answer, to know more about softwares like CATIA NX, Creo, SolidWorks, and the differences between all of these softwares. Okay, to start with, I will start with licensing. Licensing here to avoid having a problem with saving. Don't highlight this license, and to avoid having a student version, don't highlight these three licenses. I will start with some options. Starting with the general visualization. Um, Here is the licensing. These are the licenses. And display visualization. You can here have a graduated color background or not, as you like. And here are the units. You can choose millimeter, SI units, or whatever you want, inch, foot, whatever you want. Okay. You can also here these three options. It's better to highlight them. I think it's better to do them to do this. Mechanical design assembly here. The update. You can choose automatic update in the assembly or manual update. I prefer to choose manual update. Sketcher here this the grid will be divided into 100 millimeters. Each 100 millimeter is divided into 10 parts, 10, 20, 30, and so on. This is some options that I decided to talk to you about. What we will do today is the valve body of this safety valve. This is a safety valve in SolidWorks. Uh, and we have the drawings. This is the drawing from SolidWorks. You can zoom in. Okay, we will draw this. To simplify the work, I will not use dimensions. You can do this yourself. I will start, but I will not use dimensions. Okay, let's start. To start a new part, you can start from here. Part design, mechanical design, part, or file new part, or you can start from here. Part design. Here you say, let's name it valve. Okay. You can customize what appears here in the start. You can see these 6 are here. So you can remove or add any workbench you would like to add or remove. Okay, now let's start with a sketch in the YZ plane. I will not use dimensions to work faster. Okay, let's talk about this toolbar. This a profile. You can have a number of lines, continuous, and if you uh, press for some time here, you can have a curve and so on. Okay, let's delete this. Here the rectangle you have here, can press shift to make it horizontal. These types of rectangles, you can find them in the SolidWorks. Here we can open part. Let's see sketch. The same as in SolidWorks, and here are the slots, types of slots, the same as in SolidWorks. Here the same. There is new figures here. This is a figure. Can use. Okay, that's something to talk about. This is spline. Those using SolidWorks will be uh, aware or familiar with these tools. Okay, let's start with using a straight line. Okay, so now we will uh, start drawing. Revolve this about the let's say the y-axis or z-axis. This is not a circular part, it's rectangular. We can modify it again, later. So let's start with revolving this part. Let's say we can do this with this. Okay, do this. This is better. Okay, let's say this is the z-axis. So see, this blue line means it's horizontal, so it will take a constraint horizontal as horizontal. Okay, see H, this H means horizontal. Okay, double click, start again. Let's now draw a circle. You can zoom in and out using the scroll. You press on the scroll and then right click, then you go up and down, zoom in and out. Okay, let's have okay, okay, let's draw another one. Save center. Okay, here it is. Let's draw the second line. Um, sorry. Okay, vertical, horizontal line, vertical line. Okay. Okay, let's zoom in. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, want to have a vertical line. I don't know. Okay, okay. Then we have the tool. Trimming tool. It's a very useful tool. Okay, trim, trim, trim. Okay, this is nice. Okay, now let's revolve. The revolve feature here, it's called shaft. It's all about this. There it is. Okay, very nice. Now let's go ahead and draw this. We would like to have the center of this. Okay, so there is a tool here called 3D projection. See, this is the reference element. Okay, I don't know what's the problem here. You should reconsider your design. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, again. Here. Okay, let's make it construction to avoid any problems later. Okay, this is a construction line. See, it's horizontal. Okay, there is a very useful tool, cut part by section plane. This section plane is the YZ plane, so it cuts the part by the section the drawing plane. Okay, let's have our part. No, no, no. Okay, can do this. Oh, see, this is a construction line. So let's make it a solid line. Double click. Okay. This is not. Let's exit this. Double click. Okay, this is very nice. Okay. I think this is it's gonna be like this. Okay, nice. Okay, let's give this dimension 77.5. Let's copy this. Control C. Okay, and we can go out. Here there is a reference elements, the same as here. You can see features, reference, geometry. You can draw an axis. Okay, here is the same reference element. I would like to have a line. Okay, I want to delete this. Delete. Okay, direction delete. Okay, okay. So let's have a point first. That's paste. We can paste here. Control V. The dimension we have copied in the let's the negative sign here. Okay. Then make a line that passes through this and have the same direction. Okay. Now we can revolve this sketch about this line. Okay. That's very nice. Let's this maximize window. Here is a very nice tool, dynamic sectioning. Let's have the front view and hide these. This is hide show tool. Okay, dynamic sectioning and rest. Now we want to remove this part. Okay, so what to do? We can make a plane that passes that's parallel to the ZX plane. Okay, let's have a plane that's parallel to this and offset by a distance. Let's say this. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, this is nice. Okay, let's have a sketch in this plane and cut. Okay, we want to have a sketch in this. Right. Okay, let's have projection of this. Okay, and exit sketch. The the extrude cut here is called a pocket. Okay, it's a preview. Okay, dynamic sectioning. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, let's maximize this. You can say it's nearly the same as this, this, this. Okay, nearly the same. Just make some fillets and it would be the same. Even this hole you can have a plane away from this line by distance. I think it's given here in the so you can do this easily. And this was my brief intro to CATIA, and I hope this was helpful. Okay, see you.